Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can download and install Microsoft Teams in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let's get started, and please open first your browser that you have in your device. For example, the Google Chrome. So I will open Google Chrome, and in here all we need to do is to type in the search tab Microsoft Teams download. Microsoft Teams download. And once you're done typing, please click on enter or OK, and then please click or select the download option from the Microsoft website itself. So please click on that, and then the moment you do that, you will now be able to have the download option for your Microsoft Teams. So you can download Microsoft Teams for Windows, communicate and collaborate with anyone, anytime with Teams. So once you click on this download button here, it will now be downloaded in your device, and then just click on the file itself, and then it will now be installed in your device. So once it's already installed in your device, let us just close this one. So it will look like this, and you will see if you sign in your Gmail, Yahoo, or Hotmail account, it will look like this. And then if you click on this availability, you can choose for the availability if you're busy, or you can choose do not disturb. Okay, so you can also reset the status, and if you go in the left pane, you will see here the chat options. You can start a new private conversation here, and you can also filter the chats here. You can also create a link or meet now, and you can also make a new chat. So for the community, if you click on that, you will be able to create your own or build your own community. So bring your community together in one place to plan events, stay organized, and get more done. So here you can also create with a template for school, business, and life. And for the activity, you will see the mentions and reactions and other notification in this tab. So you can also have the calendar here, set dates for the meetings, and you can also add a new meeting here or schedule a new meeting. And for the chat, you can also copy a link or invite to Teams all the other users that you know. You can also invite them. So that's how you do it, and that's how you download and install Microsoft Teams in your device. So if you found this video helpful, and if you learned something from this one, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.